Here I'm looking at a specific example where I'm looking at the complement of an intersection. So the problem might ask something like this: what percent, in this case, what percent of sample voters are not conservatives who voted for Jessen? So conservatives who voted for Jessen itself is an intersection. It's people who meet both criteria. That's 21 out of 60. And that comes out to be 35%. So if I want to find the probability of selecting a voter, or the percent of voters who are not conservatives who voted for Jessen, I need to find the complement of that intersection. The way to do that would be add up all the numbers that aren't in that intersection. So everyone except the 21. But you can see that an easier way to do that would be just 60 minus 21 to get all the rest. And that's essentially where this formula is coming from. If we take the full group 100%, or 60 out of 60, take away the 21 out of 60, we get all the rest. We get that complement. That's 39 out of 60, 65%. And then you can see how those two percentages add to 100. So my final answer here, the percent of sample voters who are not conservatives who voted for Jessen, that's 65%.